Imagine biting into a warm, soft tortilla, filled to the brim with seasoned rice, hearty beans, juicy meat, and topped off with a generous dollop of creamy guacamole, tangy sour cream, and a sprinkle of cheddar cheese. It's an explosion of flavors and textures, a culinary journey to the heart of Mexico. This, dear listener, is the magic of a homemade burrito. Now, close your eyes and envision the process of bringing this dish to life. It all starts with the choice of protein. Whether you prefer chicken, beef, or pork, the key lies in marinating it in a mixture of chili powder, cumin, and garlic. This concoction will infuse the meat with a rich, smoky flavor, reminiscent of a Mexican fiesta. Sear the meat on high heat until it is browned and cooked through. Meanwhile, prepare the rice. Rinse long-grain rice under cold water until the water runs clear, and then cook it in a pot of boiling water. A little trick to add an extra layer of flavor is to stir in some lime juice and chopped cilantro once the rice is cooked. This will give it a refreshing, zesty kick that pairs perfectly with the savory meat. Next, heat up some canned black beans or pinto beans. They add a lovely earthy flavor and a satisfying bite to the burrito. If you're feeling adventurous, spice them up with a bit of hot sauce for an extra kick. Now, the toppings. Start by mashing ripe avocados into a smooth guacamole. Add a squeeze of lime, a pinch of salt, and some chopped cilantro for a burst of freshness. Then grate some cheddar cheese and set aside some sour cream. These will add a creamy, indulgent touch to the burrito. Finally, assemble the burrito. Warm a large flour tortilla in a dry skillet until it's pliable. Lay it flat and spread a spoonful of each ingredient. The seasoned meat, the zesty rice, the hearty beans, the creamy guacamole, the tangy sour cream, and the cheesy cheddar. Roll it up tightly, tucking in the sides as you go. And there you have it. A homemade burrito, bursting with flavors and ready to be enjoyed. In summary, making a burrito involves marinating and cooking your choice of meat, preparing zesty rice, heating up hearty beans, making fresh guacamole, and assembling all these ingredients in a warm flour tortilla. It's a process that requires a bit of time and effort, but the result is a mouth-watering, flavor-packed dish that will transport you straight to Mexico. Bon appetit!